Hello and welcome to another daily Japanese booster pack opening. It is Sunday. Unfortunately, we have to go through another week, but by my calculations, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we will end the box on a Friday. Glorious, awesome. Ooh, I got all excited. I threw the pack. Dropped it. My bad. Let's see if we can start off the week with a nice Japanese booster pack opening. And we start off with the Hippopotas. Hippopotas, however you want to pronounce it. The ground hippo with that little eye twitch action going on there. Got the Bun Sweet. We're still missing the Steenie. Oh, it looks so happy in the sunshine. And Celio, I think. Spheal, Celio, Walrein. I'm pretty sure we got this when we finished out that evolution line, but still a nice card to look at. Alright, the uncommon of the day is... It's a fighting type. Ooh, Glade. The action... Oh, it's not action shot, it's just like a cool flower petals flying all over the place. That's so cool. Glade. Alright. And the final card of the pack is... It's a rare! We had a rare. I haven't hit one of these in a while. It's either look like a normal or a steel type. It's a normal. And it's called Porygon Z. Ooh. That's some cool artwork. Oh. Grab a sleeve over here. Nice. Perfect. Beautiful. That's nice. Goes really well with the background. The hollow pattern. Sweet. Definitely saving that one. And I don't think there's anything else new in the pack, but as usual, we're gonna double check. Today, still missing that Steenie. There it is, we got that Bun Sweet. No fire. Got Celio. Well. Got the... Oh. Hey. Glade is new. Okay, wait, let's see. So this is the Hippopotas? Hippopotas? However you want to pronounce it. This is number 40. And Rockruff is actually number 41. Oh. Hey, I was not expecting that. I knew we had the evolution after the Corellia, but I didn't realize it was different. Sweet! New card. Uncommon. Very nice. And our Porygon Z is gonna go right here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Not bad. Getting there. Making our way through the set. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun. See you guys back here tomorrow for another daily Japanese booster pack opening. And you guys have a wonderful Monday, and I will see you guys next time.